In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a sticky header as you might see right over here on top. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's head over to our WP admin dashboard, and right over here, what you want to do is head over to templates, and let's head over to all of them. And right over here, if you don't see your header right away, you can just open the header tab, or for that matter, I head over to this header. You can see that it instances to our entire website. So let's edit with Elementor. One little notice for all of you is that you will need the Elementor Pro plugin. So if you need that one, you can check it down in the description below, and you can see a link to purchase your own license. So with that out of the way, now you can see that we can edit our own Elementor header. So let's head over and edit it, choose it, and let's head over to our advanced tab. What you want to do is scroll down until you see the motion effects and open it. Right over here under the sticky option, when it's set to none, what you want to do is set it to top. Right over here and leave it as is. One more thing to notice is that you can also set it by view. For example, if you don't want it to show on mobile or on tablet, you can just uncheck it and it will be only available in the desktop version or only on the tablet or mobile version for your choice. So leave all or everything as is, just hit update, and then we'll be able to see our changes inside our demo website. So let's open it in a new tab right over here, and let's head over into the web page. And when we scroll down, we can see that our header is scrolling down with us. If we go back right over here and we just disable it, for example, we're setting it to none, and we're clicking update, and we'll head back over to our page right over here, and let's hit refresh to see those changes. And we can see that our header is not sticky anymore. Now you know how you can set your own sticky header on your own Elementor website. If you love this video, I'll be really glad to if you hit that thumbs up. It really helps me, and for you it's just a click. And if you like this video and you want to see more on the channel, feel free to subscribe for more tutorials, tips, tricks on WordPress, Elementor, and WooCommerce. I'll be seeing you in the next one.